Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Home app for Nest Smart Home Setup, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the Google Home app, start by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store on your device. If you're using an Android device, access the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, navigate to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Google Home. Press the search icon to initiate the search. Locate the Google Home app in the search results. Ensure that it has the right icon, typically featuring a colorful house. Tap on the app to open its details page. Review the information to confirm it is the official app by Google. Next, locate and tap the Install button on Android or the Get button on iPhone. The download process will begin automatically. Wait for the app to download and install. Once the installation is complete, you can find the Google Home app on your device's home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Nest Smart Home devices. Ensure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Nest devices. From here, you can add and manage your Nest devices seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.